I happened to be in an office this week where I learned a nifty new trick, creating a non-breaking space in Microsoft Word. Let's say that you are typing Spring Semester 2018, and you specifically wanted those three words to always stay together in the line of type. To create a non-breaking space, you would type spring, and rather than just pressing the space bar, you would add the Control and Shift keys. Continue to type the word semester, and again use the shortcut Control Shift spacebar. Press all three keys on your keyboard at the same time. Notice if I type before that word combination and get to the end of a line, the three words will always remain together. If you click on the ShowHide icon in the ribbon, you will see a tiny circle in between the words. This indicates that someone has placed a non-breaking space. I showed this tip to 3 colleagues who are very experienced in Microsoft, and they didn't know this trick. Keep learning, keep changing your work patterns, work smarter.